Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I'm going to make another video about how to buy any coin cryptocurrency token on Bitmart using your Coinbase app. I have made video already about how to buy Saitama on Bitmart, but I have get a lot of comments. People still confused. They cannot transfer. They cannot buy USDT. There are a lot of issues. So I made I'm making another video. Actually, I have it done already. I bought it. I used my cell phone and I have recorded my screen, so I will explain you step by step what I have done. So that's like a live recording, so you will see I don't have any issue. So follow same my steps. First, explain why you need to buy USDT. Bitmart is the platform. They're just using USDT as a payment method. So you have to have a USDT and your account. As like Coinbase wallet is using Ethereum, same thing. So first you need to install your Coinbase app. If you have it, that's good. You need to install, set up, or you can just install Bitmart. I will leave both link in description, so we will both get bonus or some referral profit. Anyway, up to you guys. You want to use my link, you can use. Install Bitmart, install Coinbase, everything ready. So now let's start. You can also buy USDT straight on Bitmart, but Bitmart is using third party, not your bank account straight. They're going to use MoonPay or Simplex. You have to use one of them. Now let's start. I explained you how I have a bought already. It's take me like maybe 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I have bought a bunch of tokens. Let's start. Here I'm on Coinbase app where I have all the tokens. This one I will be using. Now I open my Bitmart app. At the Bitmart app, I have set up everything here. We have a top coins. You see top coins. So those are the top coins. If you click on gainer, you will see gainers. From here, referral, earn, chat, spot, deposit. We have to deposit USDT here on Bitmart from Coinbase app. So we are going to click on deposit. From the deposit, you will see bunch of token. What you want to deposit, we are going to click on USDT, then we click on deposit. You will see your barcode to get a deposit. So we are going to copy. So once you copy your address, you done. Just you can close your Bitmart app, go to Coinbase app. From the Coinbase app, if you have in your list, it's okay. If not, you can click on trade. Once you click on a trade, you will see all kind of token. I have a USDT on list already because I was trying to buy, then I decided to make a video. Just simply search here for USDT. If you can find, you just look to the list. I believe if you type in caps letter, you will not find. So you can either just type just the USDT, you will see. Once you see USDT, just click here. The next option, it will give you trade. We are going to click on trade, then buy, then put how much you want to spend. I'm gonna spend $100. You can spend 500,000, whatever. That's the limit of your bank account. So now we're gonna say preview send. We are going to spend $100. They're gonna give us 97.01 USDT. That's the price for USDT, and that's the fees. So once you got that one, it's gonna take maybe couple seconds on Coinbase. That's not like really long time. So that's all take. So it's take quick, maybe like couple seconds. Now we got USDT in our account. I'm on a privacy mode, so you will not see. So from once you got coin USDT and your Coinbase app, what you have to do, you have to click here. Now we're not going to trade. We are going to click here. When you click here, from here we are going to click here send. That's the send icon. So here, how much you want to send? I say max. So I have a 96.53. I'm gonna send all. Send now. We are going to paste address. If you remember earlier, we have a copied address already. So we're gonna paste here. So now send now. It's gonna send only 88 USDT. That's all they collecting fees. So as you see, don't just complain later, say, oh, it's too much fees or something. If you spend $100, you're gonna get only $88 or less on your Bitmarts. Now we're gonna wait on Bitmart. It will take maybe like 10 to 15 minutes on Bitmarts. We sent from here, as you can see, send tether we have done. So let's open Bitmart and wait. In my case, it took 5-10 minutes. I'm going to skip forward this video because I was keep checking. As you can see, it didn't came up yet. So here all the way, still not. So I have another screen recorded. Let's go check that one. So here it was showing me like this one. It's like 25. It was like first 1, 2, 3, those numbers go up. As soon as they hit 25, I received. So here I got also notification on my phone. It says Bitmart, you deposit 87. Here we got 87 USDT. It says success. Now we got USDT in our account. The next part we are going to do, we are going to buy some of the tokens. Okay, for this one we have to go to our home page. Here, click here. You can choose any coin you want. If you want more, then you can also, there's another icon, this one, market. You will see all kind of coins here. So I'm going to buy Saitama, so I clicked on Saitama price is this one. I'm not sure why, but you have to put limit price, otherwise you will not see your value or whatever. If you put market price and you put here just only money, how much money you want to spend, or I'm not sure you want to put a quantity, I don't understand this one, but you can do either way. But I'm going to use a limit price, and a limit price I'm going to put a little bit higher than this one. I put way high and they just give me notification like I'm putting too much price. I show you how, like here if I put 7.3, then I was putting quantity, once I click on a buy, it give me this errors, not error, I can still buy. So your order price is 5% high. So what I did, I go up again and I just deleted 3. I put a 0 because the price dropped to 69. I click on buy. So once here you put value, just click on a buy, order placed. That's all. And I'm gonna take to the older screen or whatever. Once you click on this one, just forget about it, because I was confused. When I buy another token, I bought it like 3 times already. If you have a money, they're gonna keep buying. So now we are going to click here, like we bought it already. We're gonna click on assets. Here you can see Saitama. Let me take you back. If you see previous screen here, I have a 381 and quick. We got it already 68. So my value drop here and increase here. Now let's try to buy another token. I show you, I bought a couple to just make a test to make sure all the coins or anything you can buy. Hold on, here I'm going to buy Kishu Inu, same thing. We're gonna click on buy. Here we're gonna put a limit order and we're gonna put here the quantity. I'm going to spend like about $20 here. So worth of $20, $10, I'm gonna buy multiple tokens. So just we test, I put like a little bit higher price. Now I'm gonna put a quantity here. You will see how much money I'm going to spend, but we have to spend more than $5. So I'm going to put a $20 here. So 5, when I put a 5, I see 2, then I put like this numbers. I see now this much USDT. I'm gonna click on buy, my order placed. That's easy. You can buy as many coins you want. I'm gonna show you I buy another one. So now we got a USDT Saitama Kishu. Let's go another one. Anyone I can pick a, like, so I can get billions of tokens. So here TZKI, I don't know what is it. I'm gonna buy that one too. So here buy, put limit price, then you can put under how much you want to buy. As you can see, I just put a limit price already. I'm buying like maybe 100 billions. I don't know, I'm not good in math. So just buy. Here we go. So now the next thing I show you, we're gonna close this one. We will go to another one where I shows my assets. You will see I have a bought already token. I'm not sure if you get it yet, but if you click on asset, you will see whatever the tokens I bought it, and that's all value. That's all. It was quick and easy. You can buy any other token, but I just buy, I just have a Bitmart to only buy Saitama, but anyway, to make videos, so I bought another tokens. If in the future is new token came in, I will buy, but other than it was like quick and easy. Video might take a little bit longer, but other than it was just a 5-10 minute process. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.